Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discussing the topic of reflection of light. Reflection of light of the 10th syllabus topic. In the previous lecture, we have discussed various terminology of the reflection of lights. Now we are discussing the reflections, how the various types of reflection process is taking place. So first we have to know what type of surfaces. There are two type of surfaces. Type of reflecting surface. Type of reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. There are two type of reflecting surface. First surface is a plane surface. First reflecting surface is plane surface. And second surface is curved surface. Curved surface. And this curved surface, what is the plane surfaces? First we have to discuss about the plane surfaces. This is a plane surface. Hence we can technically say that the radius of plane surface is infinite. This is a plane surface. This is a plane surface and this is a reflecting surface, and technically we can say that the radius of curvature is infinite. The radius of plane surface is infinity. Technically we see. Now what is the plane surface? And this is the incident ray. This is the normal. The previous lecture we have to tell us about the incident ray. Incident ray. And this is the reflected. Reflected. And this is the normal. And this is the refracted ray also. Some part is refracted, some part is reflected. These are the plane surfaces phenomena. Now we are subscribing the second point, curved surface. Curved surface. In the curved surfaces, we have to understand two type of surfaces. First is concave surfaces and another is convex surfaces. Suppose we have to consider a sphere like that. Here, if we are polishing like that, this is a concave surface. Concave. And if we are polishing inside of the sphere, that is convex surface. There are two type of surfaces is obtained. First is the plane surfaces. This is the plane surfaces, and this is the curved surfaces. And curved surfaces has the two pattern. First is convex surfaces and second is concave surfaces. This type, if polishing is inside of the curvature, then it is called convex surfaces, and if the polishing is outside of the surface, this is called a concave surface. This is the part of the sphere. This is the center of the sphere. That is the. Now we have to understand how the incident ray and reflected ray are coming on the convex surfaces and convex surfaces, and what is the image formation by the convex surfaces and the concave surfaces. So first we have to understand various types of ray considerations, what type of ray and where it is point, various types of terminology we have to understand, the various terminology of the ray. If this is a surface, if we consider this is a concave surfaces and this is the principal axis, and the center is called center of curvature, and where the bit cut the principal axis is called pole. This is the point pole, this is the center of curvature C, and this is the radius of curve. There are various terminology we have to explain. This is the pole, this is the concave surfaces, this is the center, this is the principal axis. In the next lectures we have to describe the various terminologies.